here, and here is the grand entrance of this Georgian townhouse. Hello friends, good morning from the city of York, North Yorkshire. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the place where I'm staying, and it is the kind of Georgian townhouse that ultimately converted into kind of hotel. So both dormitory and single rooms are available here. So guys, this beautiful Georgian townhouse is located on the Micklegate area of the York, and it is just 10-minute walk from the city center. So let's go inside and have a look. So guys, this hostel or hotel is known as the Micklegate House, as this house was built between 1710 to 1759, means in the early 18th century. And this house was built for John Bourchier, whose ancestor Sir John Bourchier was one of the signatories to the warrant for the execution of King Charles I. So far, this is one of the best stay I ever stayed at kind of hostel. And just look at the intricacy of this lamp as well. And this was used to be the drawing room. This room was also used as the ballroom when necessary. The passage between rooms is so beautiful. Just look at this beautiful, colorful window. Wow. And you can have different looks of city from different color of the glass.
Room 17 for you.
And here is my room number 11. And about this room was a bedroom designed especially for the honored guest of the Bourchier family back in the 18th century. And my bed lies in a dormitory room, so there's a shared bathroom is given. And here is the common in-suite washroom. It's small but it's kind of tidy and clean. So the entire staircase is made of wood, and there is a beautiful combination of carpet spread across staircase. Wow. Now we are on the first floor, and there are two staircases going down this one, and here is the grand staircase, and just look at the beautiful chandelier. And the ceiling of this Georgian house is just magnificent. So while getting down towards the ground floor, there's a beautiful painting. Oh. And here is the waiting area. So welcome to Safe Stay. So here check-in timing is 3 p.m. and checkout is 11 a.m. And guys, here is the grand bathroom of this Georgian house. Have you ever seen chandelier in any washroom? It is my first time that I'm witnessing chandelier in washroom. Oh, this looks so cool. And during daytime there is no need of light as this kind of window is given, so it is providing direct sunlight. That's the cool thing I like about this washroom. Kitchen. So here is the restaurant on the ground floor, and if you are availing for breakfast, you need to come here to have breakfast. Now it's time to check out. It's already 10:15 and 11 a.m. is the checkout timing from here, and if you don't do timely checkout, then you need to pay £5 extra. So make sure that you make timely checkout from here.